Have you ever played some beautiful chord and then have no idea what to call it? Something... and you just need to know what the name is? Well, I've got a new free tool that you can use, and you just click or tap on a mobile, and it'll tell you what the chord is. So let's take this second one I played here. I'm on the 8th fret on the A string, so the 8th fret, then the 7th fret, then I played the open string, so you just click the X off here, and then I played the 8th fret again. And then I just tell it to identify the chord. There it is, F9, and that little no 5 means there's no 5th in the chord. It also tells you right here alternate spellings for the chord for those of you theory geeks who really want to know all the different ways you can look at it. And my favorite part, if you want to know what kind of scale to play over it, you can go over to the other tool within the suite here, just click Scale Finder, and it's put in there for you already, and it tells you the scales you can play over the chord, and you can even see the scales. And hey, if you're a lefty player, just click Lefty Mode. I'll click Marky Mode too, so we have the colors. And bam, it shows you the scale that you can play over that chord. So again, all this stuff is free. Link for it is in the description, and I'll make a pinned comment for it too, so you can just click and go over there. You don't need to enter an email or anything. It's just a free tool, works on mobile, works on the PC, laptop, whatever you're using.